lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today's video is the second video of two-part video, and today we are going to demold the silicone mold and cast resin in it. So without further ado, let's get to it. So in the previous video you watched me to make a tealight holder from crystals, and after that I casted it in silicone. So I'm recommending that you head over to my previous video and watch the part 1 first. And now finally it is time to destroy this barrier and see if I manage to make a nice mold for my tealight holder. It is a little bit of fight over here happening, but it's all good fun and I am very excited to see if it turns out nice. It is alright because this material foam board does not stick to silicone, but it is quite heavy project to handle, literally. It is a whole 1 kilogram of silicone rubber in here. So I'm just tidying up here, and after that I will be having another fight to get the tealight holder actually out of the silicone. And it's out. I'm so happy because the fight was real. So I am tidying up here my mold. I demolded it after 24 hours because I wanted that the silicone is properly, I don't know the real word for that, I will say cured, but you know what I mean. So I waited 24 hours and now I am going to wait another 24 hours just to be on the safe side. And then I am going to pour resin and see what is going to come out of this massive mold. If you are finding this video useful and entertaining, please click a like. It would help my channel a lot. Thank you. Right, now is the next exciting bit. It is time to prepare the resin, and today I'm using this resin from Russia, Ювелірочка. I have had it for a while now. It is meant for jewelry mostly, but it also accepts deep pores. And as I didn't have any deep pour resin, I am using what I had at home. But thankfully, I didn't have to use all of this resin, and in the future, I will have a video where I use this resin actually for making some jewelry like pendants and bracelet. But for now, I am using it for this tealight holder. And this set came together with these black gloves and a couple sticks and a little couple cups. So it's very nice. And I am using curl pigment from Glass Cast. I like these pigments because they have a nozzle on top and you can easily take how much pigment you need. So I am mixing 3 pots. One is pure fuchsia, one is fuchsia with white, and one is just white. And I left a little bit transparent just in case. And I notice that this resin is on the thick side already, and it cures in 36 hours. So the curing time is quite long. So long curing time means that old bubbles can rise and pop, and the resin is gonna be crystal clear. And after I mix everything, now it's time to pour. It's time to pour, yes. I don't know, it's something extra special when you are pouring resin in the mold that you actually made. So first I'm starting with the dark, and then I'm gonna go with the mixed white and fuchsia and finish with white. So enjoy me pouring, and I'll see you in a bit. And that's it. I'm going over with my lighter to pop some bubbles that might rise. And I am leaving to cure for 3 days. Right, the long wait is over. And now it's time to demold. I am super excited to see how it's gonna turn out. And I'm feeling still that the resin is quite bendy at this stage. So maybe because in my studio is quite cold, maybe the resin will take longer to cure. But anyway, here I am fighting to get it out. And it's all good fun. And we have it out, and it's so light comparing with the actual mold. And here it is. And it looks really nice. I like it a lot. I like the shape. And it came out beautifully. I am very happy with what I made. And yes, very, very happy. I'm just looking at the edge. It looks that I will need to sand a little bit, so I'm gonna tidy up, and that's it. So yeah, I'm very pleased with how it came out. And here it is, bit tidy up the edges, and it is the Tealight candle inside, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please leave a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.